Hi, it's week 2. I hope you survived week 1. Um, Hope you got all the classes you wanted and got all the classes you didn't want switched. I know how that can be. My daughter, she just started freshman year and she was horrified to find that her world history was an AP, so she had to switch that. But now she's happy as a clam. But now that we're getting into week 2, I hope you guys are feeling a little bit better. If you have any questions, reach out. I'm here. But this is a continuation of the industrialization, urbanization of America, part of the Industrial Revolution. Um, I located my prize book that I told you about last week, Devil in the White City. I know I was supposed to come up with a better, well, not a better, but another book. I am reading one. I think it's called The Girl in the Blue Coat. I'll show you that one. But that's more of like a World War II era, so it's a little bit ahead of this game. But this is Delve in the White City. Fantastic read. Check it out. But yeah, make sure that you look at the assignment schedule and the table of contents. For those of you that started August 21st, you should be on week 2. For those of you who started August 31st, you should be on week 1. And the end date should be what, November 22 and 29. If that doesn't sound right, please contact me or your mentor. Um, but it's pretty awesome to get this train going, pick up speed. I know we're getting there, but you'll all do great. As we kind of went along with the immigration thing, I wanted to read this from Emma Lazarus. I don't know if you've heard this. It's called The New Colossus. I better put on my reading glasses. Sorry, guys. My eyes stink. Um, Not like the brazen giant of Greek fame with conquering limbs astride from land to land. Here at our sea washed sunset gates shall stand a mighty woman with a torch, whose flame is the imprisoned lightning, and her name Mother of Exiles. From her beacon hand glows worldwide welcome, her mild eyes command the air bridged harbor that twin cities frame. Keep ancient lands, you storied pomp, cries she, with silent lips. Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free, the wretched refuse of your teeming shore. Send these, the homeless tempest tossed to thee, and lift my lamp beside the golden door. So that sounds very welcoming. So my question is, would that be something that our current immigration policy would coincide with, or would it contradict? Or we just don't know. That's my question for you today. But all that aside, let's get into the things you're going to have to do today, do this week. You're going to have to do the Unit 1 test, which I'm sure you'll do fine. A letter home, which is basically you write that in letter format, and you're going to be writing from somebody that moved to the city, and you're writing home to your parents or loved ones or whatever, explaining what is going on and how your life has changed. So make sure that's in letter format, and make sure you read the directions. Most of the stuff I tell kids to do over is stuff that they didn't read the directions. They rushed through it, and then they got to do it over again. And then there's one other thing. Oh, a political cartoon. I was surprised at how in depth that political cartoon activity is. That goes on for a bit for being like the first political cartoon thing that you do. But just take your time. It seemed pretty structured and self-explanatory. But if you struggle with it or anything, please let me know, and I'll offer some help and remediation to get through it. But you guys will all do great. And again, welcome to my class. Make sure you sign up for Remind. Remind, remind, remind. I'm reminding you to sign up for Remind. So, besides that, you're doing great, guys. See you later.